Top of the morning to you. Nothing like starting your morning with some Black Rifle Coffee Company Cactus Squatch. Catching up on the morning news on the big screen and having some Great Harvest, otherwise known as Walmart, yogurt with fresh fruit and granola. And that's what morning breakfast is like in a truck camper. Go tackle the day. Or should I say tackle last night's dishes from Moose Stroganoff dinner. Still looking for those truck camper dishwasher ideas. Send them my way. I don't like dishes.